Sipping bubbly, feeling lovely, living lovely. Just love me. I wanna be with you. Me, just love me.
Hi everyone, this is Future Camille Editing. So, singit ko lang kasi medyo magiging lost kayo if hindi ako magsingit ng onting chika or context kung bakit tayo papunta sa mall at 9 p.m. Okay, over yung daldal ko rito, pero to sum everything up, I bought my dream vlogging camera that night that I've been wanting for 2 years as my birthday gift. Supposedly, dapat second hand lang kasi super mahal yung brand new. But then, muntik na akong ma-scam sa marketplace, so here we are. Then allow access po. Sana hindi ito masira sa akin ako. That's my only wish. It's my favorite. Yun na. Sila na naman. Grabe, tinutulungan ako ni Lovell magka-content.
As medical students, what is expected of you? You are expected to determine how to interpret basic ECG traces. But before that, in the lab, you're supposed to know how to put on the correct placements of your electrodes. Okay, so how many electrodes are we using? 10. How many lead ECG tayo? 12. Kasi, 6 na leads. 1, 2, 3, ABF, ABR, ABL, and then 6 chest leads.
Nakakatawa. Bakit ganyan? Parang... Nakakatawa.
So kayo wala kayong date. Lagay mo sa may face niya para alam kung sino nakadala.
Grabe, ba't ganyan ka ba talaga? Like, mabilis kang maganyan.
Hindi naman. First time ko nga doon kasi nagpa-practicean din naman kami nung undergrad.
Ay, kasalanan mo po.
So ano gusto mo? Paano ako
Grabe, ang dilim na. Oh. currently cramming kasi I have 2 more topics left to study and it's currently 12:34 a.m. and the quiz is at 8 a.m. So, do I plan to sleep? No. But will I sleep? I think makakatulog-tulog ako. Hi everyone, I look really crusty right now kasi after school, kumain lang ako and then nakatulog na ako. And what time na? Grabe, 12:08 na mga sis. 12:08 na, what the heck? Anyway, so I'm just inserting a sit down talk kind of clip para lang ikwento kung what happened during the day so far kasi nga onti lang yung clips ko. So last night I was trying to pull an all-nighter and literally nasabi ko hindi ako matutulog kasi kailangan ko tapusin yung 5 topics. Nabasa ko naman na yung notes nun pero hindi ko siya yung na-master to the point na kaya kong i-explain. Kaya talagang gusto ko siyang alatan ng ganun karaming time. Marami ba yun? Kaya gusto ko talaga siyang maaral kasi gusto ko I can explain it without any notes, ganung level. Ayun yung parang basihan ko if I really know the topic. Anyway, ang nangyari kasi, 8 a.m. yung pasok ko and around 6 a.m. sobrang napagod na ako and nakaidlip ako without an alarm. My God! Imagine mo wala kang tulog so imposible pag nakaidlip ka without an alarm. Imposible yung magigising ka randomly. Pero buti na lang ginising ako like kung ano man, ewan ko ba't ako nagising. Basta napabalikwas talaga ako around 7:30 a.m. So, I had 30 minutes to prep. Actually, hindi 30 minutes kasi syempre magta-travel ka papunta sa school and everything. But it was enough time. Nakaabot naman ako and I was able to take the quiz. And after namin mag-quiz, we had an earthquake drill. And after the earthquake drill, histology class na namin ulit. And we also had a quiz after the lab session. Kasi every lab session, we have post-lab quizzes, especially with anatomy. So, matik na yon. Ayun, after namin histology, I went home agad-agad and nakatulog ako noon ng 5 hours. And when I woke up, kumain ako ng dinner or lunch, ganun. Kasi hindi pa ako nag-lunch eh. So, it was like late lunch or early dinner around 5 p.m. And after kong kumain, parang 2 hours, nagpapapa lang ako saglit. Inantok na naman ako. Ganun ako kapagod, guys. So, I fell asleep ng 7 hanggang 10 p.m. And woke up. And ngayon, naisipan kong mag-insert ng clip kasi nga I was reviewing all the clips that I had for this vlog. And sobrang onti lang kasi nga, grabe, ang hirap pala niya. But, ayun, I hope I can film more next time. Grabe kasi ang intense. Oh my God. Anyway, this taught me na hindi ko na hahayaang ganun ka-cram yung gagawin ko. So, ayan. Right now, I am waiting for my Grab order. Ay, ayan na pala siya. Okay. Food is here. Tango. I got the 3 tenders with fries. I got the tango sauce and pepper cheese. Taste test! Ang weird, may Rice Krispies. Ito masarap to. Bet ko to. Ito na lang try natin. Generous sila sa dip, ah. Sarap. Meron ako dito ng dip po na aioli.
Kakain ako.
Hi. I'm with them.
Mama, smile. Bakit ganun? Make it. This is Nespresso Pods. Nespresso Pods. Wow! Wow!
Ang brown?
Yung brown, para yan sa ganito, para di mo na kailangan maging magaling mag-eyeliner. Magkakaroon ka lang ng shadow. Parang sinsak.
Okay.
Siyempre.
Thank you.
Hindi ko na giniprep, nakakatamad. Ay.
Galit na.
Namulis.
Nobody like it.
Ang panin mo ka.
Akala ko kasal. Kasi kamuli nito. Manchi-manchi from the angkas. Yeah, yes. This one is, I know, my headphones. My request.
Gusto niya kasi may suot siya sa airport.
Don't talk to me. Wow, HVD.
Hindi ko na na-film guys. Sumipsip na siya.
Sarap po.
Okay, sige. Rate your matcha.
1/10.
Ano ba yan?
Birthday!
First question ko. How does it feel to be the eldest?
It's quite empowering actually. Charos! How does it feel to be the eldest? It feels nice kasi ikaw yung ano, magbabayad sila.